Welcome to part two. So, if you've been here before, you've seen the part one already, where I had the consultation with the doctor. He told me about the treatment, the pain, the aftercare, and then we discussed about anesthetic. And I decided to go for localized. Now, this is them trying to get the teeth. Initially, he told me this surgery was going to take 1 hour. I was supposed to take both out. The wisdom tooth on both ends needs to go out, but we started with the most difficult one, which is this one that you're operating on currently. So a surgery that was supposed to take an hour at best ended up going for 3 hours 30 minutes. I was administered anesthesia over 5 times. He had issues bringing out the teeth because it's wisdom tooth and it didn't grow out, so they had to the tissue around it, they had to numb it and then cut it open so that they can reach the tooth and then start bringing out the tooth out. So while we did x-ray first, and then we found out that the teeth branched badly and it was like close to my ear cavity. So he had to be careful, and he had his work cut out for him. That's why we started with this part, because this one was the hardest. So over time, the anesthesia kept wearing off, but I didn't want to say anything because the anesthesia was just making me feel some type of way. So I was bearing the pain. And then look at how these people are just widening my mouth. Like it had sores on both ends of my mouth at the end of this surgery, and the sores stayed for like a week. The aftermath of this surgery is something else. Like, you might consider doing the surgery, it is a good thing, but the pain, the stress, please, if you are doing this surgery, do not be like me. Go for general anesthesia. Be asleep while they are doing this thing. It is not funny. This is him administering anesthesia for the 3rd time, I think. And then he had to administer paracetamol injection to me because the anesthesia was not working. Like, at this point, I felt like passing out. The pain was so much. The anesthesia was not helping me. I just wanted to leave the table. There was blood everywhere. My mouth was sore. You guys, come for part 3. It's too long.